Got Zeb, he's going to be doing a full maintenance on this older Rheem unit. We're going to pull it apart, do a chemical coil clean, check our cap and contactor, tighten all the connections. We've got our Rheem unit opened up and the fan off. We're going to start cleaning it out. Still in process, but we can already see some really good results. And there's a Black Widow in there, Yamaha, it was massive. And we're all cleaned up. We're ready for the hot season, should it ever show up. It is, however, stuff like this, a line set in the ground, that just drives me insane. Ooh. I just started videoing too.